from Agarowski Lifesytle. You've ended up on a mini class how to brainstorm and design your water pipes walk-in closet project. And yeah, if you want to see a more detailed view of this project, please click below in the introduction video. And now have a look how excited I was on my first day. Welcome to the water pipes walk-in closet project. I saw a lot of inspiration on Pinterest and then I got obsessed and wanted to do it by myself, so I got already pipes. It got a little bit more difficult to actually make the construction the design I want. I'm drawing everything by myself and putting a lot of also shelves in between and an IKEA cupboard to give her a little bit of design look. So as you can see, I got inspired by so many pins on Pinterest. I just could not find any instruction how to make a construction with integrated shelves, cupboards, to give it a more design look rather than just having a hanging clothes rail, which can be of course also very cool. So there are two ways to start your design. Firstly, let your imagination, your daydreaming create your unique design. Have a look on other designer websites, have a look on Pinterest. There, as you saw, a lot of inspirations. Then bring all the crazy ideas to paper like I did. And then start searching for the material you might use for this project. Second, first research what material is existing and then start playing Lego. So see first what is your local store offering, what is online available, have a look at other water pipes project related videos and get a feeling for the material, and then start building your ideas on this. Well, I tried both ways, but this is really up to your personality. Firstly, I started blindly drawing all my crazy ideas and brought it to paper. As you can see here, I needed a lot of elements, and for instance, I needed a specific element, something like this, but with a fourth ending, which is of course not existing because these connections are made for water connections and it wouldn't make sense to go in all directions for the water. So I got stuck a little bit. I needed to slightly change my idea, my design, but I was really stubborn on what I wanted. So what me and my dad did is bringing back to life our inner kid, the Lego times, and we really started playing around with those things we got from the hardware store. And I'm pretty sure if you're gonna do that, you will come up with your own unique way to do a cool construction, which I would love to copy at one point in time for my other wall maybe. So at one point my dad came up with a very unique idea which helped me to realize the kind of construction you can see here, which I'm very happy about. So if you want to know how we did this specific construction, please click on the link below, the Agarowski Construction, and have fun in starting building your dream room. So you see, the most important lesson is to think outside the box. As you can see in my design, from looks, weight and space optimization perspective, I needed to screw the construction to the wall and the floor. Yes, the floor. I hope I won't regret it one day. Unfortunately, my local store was not offering any socket ending, which was made out of copper for copper pipes, because they are made for water connections and not girly walk-in closets. I did not give up. I tried everything, literally anything, to fix my construction to the wall and the ground. I even considered candlesticks from IKEA, where the pipe was really fitting in, but I was not really happy with that solution and it would have become very expensive. So me and my dad went back again to the local store, wandering around, trying to find solutions. And then my dad got lost at this ship section. He had fun over there, and then he sees this beautiful steel socket ending, which has the same diameters as this water pipe, and it was the perfect solution. And as you can see, just talk to people, get ideas from others, don't try to do everything on yourself, walk through the walker store, think outside the box, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna find your own unique solution for your problem. Oof, it's heavily raining. Now, finally, after drawing, after checking everything with your materials, think again everything through. You know what you want, right? But if it's for clothes, do you really want to hang all your clothes? Maybe you need something to be covered. What about undergarments, accessories, etc.? How many long dresses do you have and how many short ones? The measuring part of this whole project is another huge topic which will be covered in an extra video, so link is below, of course. Maybe you are here because you're trying to do a kitchen shelf. Maybe it's gonna be heavy what you put there, so it has to be extra protected and strong. What about if it's a couch table? Maybe you're gonna put drinks on top of that, so the material on top has to be waterproof. Think everything through and then you're on the safe side. Now you have the solution for all your problems. You thought everything through, put everything back again on paper, make your own final draft, start measuring everything so you buy the right amounts, count how many socket endings you need, how many connection parts, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this was inspiring for you, and now you're gonna definitely start your dream water pipes project, right? So more links you're gonna find in the videos below, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram.